couple of people said to me this morning, I'm not sure if you take this as a compliment or not, but you look better coming back than you did at the end of the last Mark 1. How did it all come about? Who talked to who, and who then said, start dieting?
It's kind of weird. Myself and Shane had dinner, I think, about year and a half ago, and it wasn't like we'd kind of seen each other separately or bumped into each other, had a few chats here and there, and myself and Shane went for dinner one night with our wives, and we had a few drinks, and as the drinks kind of got more and more so, shall we say, the reminiscing got bigger and bigger, and it kind of got to a point then by the end of the night where we were kind of like almost back in dreamland of like, do you think we'll ever do it again? And I think we all probably had so much time away from it that we realised what it was that we actually had. I think for probably the last 2 or 3 years of the band, well, for a lot of the band, we didn't really realise what Westlife was or how successful it had become. And, like playing Croke Park even the other day when we went in and we saw the empty stadium, to think that, wow, we filled this place 4 times and now we're coming back at this level. It's just incredible. But yeah, going back to the reunion story, so myself and Shane kind of had a chat that night, and then we left it for quite a few months, and it was almost like, oh, do we talk about it again, kind of thing. And then we had a chat on the phone, and then it kind of just, everybody kind of just having little text messages and chats here and there, and then we managed to get everybody together up in Nicky's house and actually discuss the idea of
my neighbour's house
of really doing it, and that led us to here. But it's probably been about a year and a half kind of in talks. Well, not talks, that's the wrong word, but kind of like started a year and a half ago with myself and Shane's first kind of conversation, and then it slowly kind of snowballed from there.
I mean, you look younger, but you sound older. Do you all feel that, like, 3 of your dads now, you're... Well, you do, you're like more mature. Although I know Nicky is 40, so basically he is mature.
Thanks. Mark can still hit the high notes, so that's how we're...
There you go.
That's the baby of the band.
But I think naturally, you do grow up, and I think one thing that was said to us when we got back as a 4-piece and we moved it on then to speak to Louis and stuff, and I think we all have a better relationship with each other. I think, we never had a bad relationship as a band. That was one of our strong points through the 14 years. But you have your fallings out, you have your arguments, that's going to happen. But we never left it in a bad place. In fact, I think the final tour in 2012 was actually one of our most enjoyable ones, because all the strops that you might have had were gone, because the end was in sight, so to speak, and we were there to enjoy it. But when we came back, I think we feel more at ease,
Bercanda, saya punya Nicky dan saya mengubah saya. Tidak hanya 4000 visi Lisa, orang Iran itu luar biasa sekuler. Itu hanya sesuatu, mungkin alasan utama adalah menghemat tur mereka sekitar 60 malam kenangan indah di sini yang cukup konyol berubah menjadi pria yang kompetitif, dan dia adalah Bigfoot sejati dari setiap orang jujur. Saya pikir itu pertama kalinya kami masuk depan peralatan grup yang sebenarnya akan kembali, dan perasaan keramaian itu berteriak dan pulih terasa seperti itu adalah hal yang sangat kuat yang Anda tahu, dan mudah-mudahan itu akan terjadi sebelum Anda terlihat baik. Dan saya pikir Dwight Howard, Anda tahu ada banyak jawaban untuk bagian pertanyaan itu dimulai tentang setengah tahun yang lalu, saya sendiri setengah tahun. Cambridge, kami memiliki beberapa bir pelaya malam itu. Kami mencoba mengenang tentang apa yang kita dewasakan Westlife, band oke yang tertinggal sendiri selama beberapa bulan, dan kemudian kita semua berkumpul lagi untuk pesta ulang tahun. Hukum ilegal, saya pikir Irak Nicky pada satu titik memiliki percakapan dengan Vicky, dan kemudian kami semua berkumpul. Nicky mendesah untuk pertama kalinya ke sana beberapa bulan yang lalu, dan maka itu hanya terasa benar. Saya pikir besar hal bagi kami, tidak seperti Anda tahu semua. Bintang-bintang tampaknya sejajar di arah yang benar bagi kita untuk melakukan kekuatan ini. Saya pikir baik, saya ingin ulang tahun ke-20 pertama kami rilis tertutup tahun depan kami agak merasa seperti Anda tahu kami perlu menandai itu dan kami perlu menyukai jika kami akan melakukan ini bersama-sama ini kita punya jadi maksudnya saya ya kenangan saya tidak terlalu banyak kali itu. Saya ingat Anda tahu Botox mencoba daging sapi muda. Anda tahu hari-hari awal kami pertama kali telah berbicara tentang puasa sebelum kami.
More. We all went off and did our own thing. We all had to get out of the Westlife bubble back in the day because we'd done it since we were 18 and we didn't know anything else, And I think you'll see we all released a solo album. We all presented on TV and different radios. We all traveled around the world. Everybody did little bits. Some, myself and Kate did reality shows, and those type of things I think stood to us all, in many ways because we were able to see life outside the bubble and enjoy that too, and stand on your own 2 feet.
Then we realised that it's better to be back in the bubble.
And talking of the bubble, I know there was
Definitely easier.
when there was, when the whole idea of Westlife came together, as in, Mark II, was there any question of Brian coming back? Because I know there was, in the media, people were talking about it. How did you handle that?
I think everybody was talking about it maybe in the media. People, probably, the only people who weren't talking about it was us. We were talking about this earlier on as well, and it's a hard one to describe because it's not something that we want to put across that in any way bad or ill feeling towards Brian. But the way we look at it, we finished the band as a 4-piece. We were together for, maybe 8 years after Brian left, a lot longer than we were with Brian. And he decided to leave the band in 2004. So I think for us, we were always a 4-piece after that. And even in the 7 years or 6 years we've had not as a band, we're still a 4-piece. So when we came back, we always felt, we're, whatever it is, Brian left the band 15 years ago. So
In this hotel.
In this hotel, in this room probably, was it?
I don't think we feel like anybody is missing here today, if you know what I mean.
Exactly, yeah.
And that's not in any bad way, that's just what Westlife is to us,
But Brian actually, he tweeted a lovely tweet during the week, and as Shane said, there's no ill feeling. None of us harbour any ill feeling towards him, and I think it was just to pick up Shane. I think it was 9.5 years without him, and the dynamics in West have changed when Brian left because they had to, because 5 become 4. So in many ways, we all, and I remember saying at the time, we all had to stand up to the plate in many ways, vocally, personality. We grew up, and you talked to us, becoming older. I mean, Brian left when we were, none of us. I think Brian was the only one who had children. We were in our early, very early 20s, and I'm 40 last week. So time moves on, but again, we'd like to put on record as well. Like, there's no ill feeling, but to put Brian back into the band, it would be like. It would be strange for us to have to adapt to that, and the stories and the rumours about Simon Cowell offering, tours with Brian, it's just simply untrue, like 100% untrue. That never happened. Well, I mean, we did meet Simon Cowell, and it was one of those where we discussed the tour as a 4-piece. It was never with Brian.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mark.
Mark agrees.
Telah berbicara tentang puasa sebelum kami, bahwa ketika Anda memainkan arena ini, Anda tahu kenangan itu akan kembali padamu. Sangat mengenal kota ini secara keseluruhan, wilayah secara umum itu selalu pendukung besar yang sangat besar. Anda tahu itu menyenangkan. Rumah sakit kita bisa dilakukan di Australia atau Asia Tenggara. Tapi orang bilang di mana Goodwin, Estonia, Anda yang gila. Anda tahu yang fanatik dan membawa beban adalah benar-benar mungkin tempat pertama itu muncul di kepala kami. Dan Anda tahu ada alasan itu untuk kami banyak bermain. Tempat ini selalu memiliki yang sangat kuat. Gambar di kepala kami, Anda tahu salah satunya pendukung terbesar kami, tetapi ini terasa suka makan. Saya terbiasa tampil di acara amal dan semua yang hebat itu kalinya hanya jadi saya pikir Anda tahu semua itu. Orang-orang yang tumbuh bersama kami, seperti Anda tahu, kami baru saja memasuki kegilaan itu. Dunia musik pop hadir dalam 60 acara, dan kami bermain selama 14 tahun, dan saya pikir kami sama-sama patah hati seperti semua itu. Orang-orang di luar sana, di mana siapapun datang ke ke lihat kami karena saya pikir acara situs web adalah selalu menyenangkan. Baik mulai Belfast, pada saat itu saya pikir hanya mempercepat beberapa taktik. Jadi sebenarnya kami bisa melakukan hari ini. Mereka Anda tahu memanggil Amerika seperti untuk melihat Anda tahu seperti hanya sangat klip cepat untuk menyapa itu luar biasa. Jadi ya jika itu yang Anda pikirkan tentang apa pertunjukannya akan seperti saat kita kembali ke sini di sebelah berikutnya sebagai musim atau musim panas itu akan menjadi penggemar. Dapat saya harapkan dari seni situs web untuk menunjukkan mari kita jujur itu hanya akan menjadi lebih baik, itu akan menjadi lebih baik. Cara yang lebih baik, kita ingin menjadi lebih baik dalam segala hal. Cara kami ingin menjadi lebih baik secara musik, kami ingin menampilkan pertunjukan yang lebih baik, kami bekerja acara TV yang lebih baik, tapi apapun itu semuanya saya pikir harus keluar. Pemindaian jari dan skala yang lebih baik untuk Anda juga ingin melakukan tur kebaikan karir kami tahun depan, itulah yang kami ingin melakukan. Kami mendapatkan yang terbaik orang di atas, atau apakah itu musisi atau Hindia, mereka pasti mengurangi atau mendapatkan orang-orang yang terbaik di dunia untuk melakukan tur ini, karena memang begitulah Westlife. Layak sampai derajat tertentu ketika kita melihatnya dengan perspektif lain. Kami hanya ingin pertunjukan yang bagus dan memiliki mantan penggemar. Anda tahu itu seperti apa yang dikatakan sebelumnya, kami memulai tur kami tentang sesuatu alasan, karena itulah kami. Ini dia seperti menghadiri lebih keras dari 20.000 tontonan selamat, dan itu begoknya kita akan saya pikirkan lagi. Anda tahu cara terbaik untuk menjelaskan perubahan di sini juga berada di pirolisis berbicara TV yang kita miliki begitu banyak gairah sehingga saya sangat bersemangat.
You're with a brand new record label, Universal Music here.
Yeah.
And how...
Is the Universal table over there?
Sorry.
Mark Costume?
Mark and
See
Laura.
Mark?
And there's been talk about the new music.
Yeah.
Can you tell us anything? I mean, Ed Sheeran,
I mean,
what can you tell us?
I think the big thing that we say about the new music is that obviously touring is hugely important, and you know, we're putting Crow Park on sale, which is incredible, on Thursday morning based on what we did in the past. But you know, what we do in the future is super important to us, and the music is the future for us. So we were, you know, so lucky in the sense that Steve Mack, a guy who worked with us in the early part of our career, the whole way in the first part of our career, and wrote Flying Without Wings, Swear It Again, you know, produced songs like You Raise Me Up, he wrote World of Our Own, loads of our hits. He managed to be writing with a certain man called Ed Sheeran, who turned around one day to him in the songwriting session and said, I'd love to write like a Westlife style song. And they went off and they wrote a Westlife song, and then we didn't know any of this was happening, but we got back together behind closed doors and we went to see Steve, and he played us a few songs and he was like, oh well, this is actually an Ed song that Ed wrote saying he wanted to write a Westlife style song.
Before they knew we were getting back together, so
Yeah.
it kind of always meant to be, you know.
And actually, just on that point, I remember having a conversation with you again. I was walking in Malahide Castle one evening about 2 years ago. We were talking about potential Westlife. Was it the right time? Was it not? And I remember, because I was on 2FM, saying, "Ken, I don't know where Westlife music fits into the current, market. Moving on to the story of if we come back, can't we just be nostalgia? We need Ed Sheeran. You know what I mean? That's or someone of that ilk. And little did we know, Ed was in the background, saying, I want to write a Westlife tune. And really, there was only two people that could get Westlife back out of bed. I've always said it was Steve Mack and Ed Sheeran, and we're in that position, thankfully.
But the idea of trying to, for us to try and make music that sounds both Westlife and 2018 at the same time was very daunting. But Steve and Ed really have pulled it off. I mean, it sounds exactly like Westlife, but also exactly like 2018. And that was such a huge hurdle to get over so early in the day. So everything's really got off to a fantastic start. And hopefully it can kind of continue to go that well, for us.
But on saying it, we are so excited for people to hear it. Obviously, we've been holding it close to our chest, but when it actually does come, we feel people are going to be taken back by it a little touch because it's
Ini hampir lebih banyak tanah adalah latar belakang saya pikir berada jauh dari menyimpulkan Anda tahu 7 tahun dan menyadari apa yang kami tahu, menyadari pencarian apa yang sebenarnya telah hilang, konser yang kami lakukan Anda tahu, penontonan yang kami mainkan untuk datang dari perubahan cepat perusahaan mereka, tetapi saya jelas berpikir saya para penggemar, saya pikir ibarat kita menyadari kita jalan selama 6 tahun atau 7 tahun depan, barat penggemar itu suci. Kamu tahu itu seperti sinar kapal akan menemukan ini. Saya tidak berpikir orang lain memiliki di dunia yang Anda tahu dan terutama dengan turun kami sangat senang. Musik jadi jelas di sini 20 tahun hits luar biasa, tapi dapatkah Anda memberitahu musik baru yang saya maksud? Nama Sharon sedang dibicarakan secara bisa Anda memberitahu apapun. Saya pikir musik barunya bagus. Kami sangat bersemangat tentang musik baru. Itu hanya satu-satunya catatan jika Anda berhenti, tapi itu sangat kita kembalikan. Kita selalu mengatakan hal utama yang kami inginkan kembali adalah untuk mencoba dan menjadi lebih baik. Seperti saya mengatakan, mereka dapat mencoba dan membuat musik itu akan sangat cocok dengan arus menagih mereka. Situs web dapat terkirim pertanyaan bisa seperti yang kami katakan lebih baik dan musiknya sangat bersemangat. Kami jelas bekerja dengan Steve menggunakan dapat memproduksi tahun baru hanya memiliki 2 atau 3 tahun yang luar biasa, banyak praktik yang baik termasuk alam dan jadi lihat bagus bahwa itu berevolusi. Kami sangat senang memiliki garam karena mereka adalah lagu yang luar biasa, tapi saya hanya punya untuk menunggu untuk melihatkan apa yang para finalis pikirkan.
not what you're going to typically expect. It's very Westlife because it's
It's not reggae or rap or anything.
No.
It's pop music. But it's exactly where Westlife needs to be musically, and I think it's very current. It would sit alongside any songs on the charts, but it's also like feels like a sound that we've been looking for a very long time, even when we were in the band.
Okay, going back to Croke Park. What can we expect? Have you any kind of special surprises up your sleeves? Have you started thinking about design? Anything that you can share with us?
Well, I suppose like we've had a few conversations with show producers and stuff like that. The best thing we can say about everything from the four of us is you're going to see Westlife 2.0. This is going to be bigger and better this time around. We're not here to just go and do one show in Croke Park. We're here to do Croke Park this year and wherever we can take it the following year and the following year. Like, you know, we want this to, you know, as Nikki said, we have a legacy to kind of come back to that we're so proud of. And we want to grow that, you know, so between the music, the concerts, everything, we just promise everybody an amazing show.
It could never be a tribute to our former selves. I really, I think we all would agree with that we left it in such a good place, that if we came back, it had to be even better, if anything.
I think the passion and fire that's in us is bigger than it ever was, even at the very, very, very start. It kind of feels like we stepped away from something that was so massive and so huge, and to think that we can come back to it straight away at that level, we are so hungry to make it as big as it can possibly be, worldwide.
And how are your respective families feeling about you getting onto a tour bus again?
I think they're very excited. We chat about stuff like this all the time, and I think our families, our kids, our mums and dads, our brothers and sisters, everybody is so excited about, I think, just seeing Westlife again. Yeah. Just not because we're a family, but just to see Westlife on stage again. Like, we're excited about being Westlife again. But I think our kids, obviously, a lot of our kids never experienced this. You know, we probably Nicole, Rocco, and Jay were the only kids that were old enough to actually enjoy Westlife or have a memory of Westlife. The rest of them don't have memories, so some of the kids weren't even born. So it's
Pekerjaan kami sangat senang dan kamu gugup, maksudku kamu tahu akan disinilah Westlife Maret 2 2015. 11 masih ada ada di tempat yang mereka inginkan kami, dan seperti itu bukan karena kami tidak punya, yang penting percaya diri. Tentu saja Anda tahu bangun di atas panggung di depan semua orang yang kamu kenal, hanya Anda dulu pergi, itu agak sangat terlalu bagus untuk percaya. Kamu tahu begitu melihat semua orang di luar sana luar biasa. Menikah yang menyerah akan merasakan sama seperti semua orang di luar sana. Toby akan datang gerbang. Anda tahu kami tidak seperti itu. Khawatir, tetapi tentu saja Anda memiliki perasaan positif. Apakah beberapa banyak kemampuan anak yang kamu tahu, tapi semuanya positif hari ini. Mikir, Anda mengatakan Anda tahu, Anda belum pantai. Sonic, saya jadi itu. Kesempatan sempurna ya, kamu tahu aku selalu ada di sisi ke meter 50 di Dublin Imperial Leisure. Katanya 90 menit dari sini ke Titanic, dan saya selalu ingin naik, dan mereka seperti kita akan bermain di sini. Titanic tidak dibangun oleh yang lainnya. Anak-anak saya sendiri sangat ingin lihat itu. Jadi Anda tahu, saya pikir barat dengan kita semuanya banyak anak-anak kita. Tidak perlu menunggu untuk hidup ketika Westlife ada di sekitar. Saya tahu Rock dengan J di mana Nicole bekerja, tetapi tapi anak-anak dan 2 anak laki-laki bukan untuk gadismu, Tia, dan berbagi juga tidak jadi itu yang besar. Kami terus mengatakan bahwa kami telah melaluinya. Banyak yang kami katakan di akhir karir kami di 2012 bahwa kita tidak akan memiliki itu. Kita akan melalui pernikahan dan kelahiran dan kematian bintang Estella 15 di atas tahun itu adalah komunitas keluarga nyata minyak zaitun di antara kita untuk mendapatkan kita kembali. Tapi Anda menggunakan agar kami tahu area hidung yang benar-benar kami yakini adalah ditulis, tetapi untuk sebagian besar yang terbaik pinggiran dunia dan mundur lakukan anak-anak yang tidak serius itu hanya sangat mengasihkan.
It's going to be very exciting for the kids. They are like super excited just to see the 4 of us. Even if the 4 of us have dinner together in the house, they get excited. You know, they're really excited. They're like, we're in the kitchen having a pizza or something, and they're literally like, we have to tell the kids off. We wanted to tell our children a bit earlier than we told, obviously, the media and the public. And we told them you have to keep it a secret, you know, because it was very hard to have a conversation with Keane over a cup of coffee, or Mark was in the house having a cup of coffee, and we're like, they'd walk past and it's like, don't say anything, you know. So eventually we had to tell them. But they kept it a secret. You know,
Although when you came to my house, Gia, who wasn't born around, was born after Westlife, and she was really excited to see them. And we got in the kitchen and asked her who her favourite was. She said Shane. So
It's a natural response, Nikki.
sorry, Nikki, I didn't feel great in this house.
Louis' favourite, which well, I meant that today too.
She said that, I didn't feel great.
Do you have any time, is there any kind of time about the album, the single dropping, anything new music-wise? Are you just working on through all of that at the moment?
We don't have exact dates by any means. I think we'd love to have an album ready for next year. But in saying that, we're entering into the Westlife 2.0 or whatever is about doing it right, you know. And if it's ready, it will be ready, and I think it will be. At the rate we've been going so far, if that continues, I think it will be ready. So that's the hope. But you know, we wouldn't like to say a date or anything like that. But we're definitely just hitting the ground running. We've already begun recording the new album, and we're really excited about even the few songs we've already done. So we just can't wait to get back in and finish it, you know, as soon as possible.
Nick, a few people have asked me how you're going to juggle 2FM, Dancing with the Stars, and a lot of those moves that you're going to have to relearn. How do you feel, you know, are you up for it? How do you feel you're going to be able to do all of
Are
it?
you saying I'm getting too old?
I'm saying you're 40.
Yeah, look, it's a great position to be in. It's a good, happy problem. I mean, first and foremost, for 3 of us anyway, well, all of us in relationships, but we're husbands and partners and fathers, and that's the most important thing. That's the most difficult job when you get to a band like this. But that can be done. I mean, there's older bands than us that do it, you know, so that's one positive. With Dancing with the Stars, you know, it is 12 weekends from January to the end of March at the moment, so I suppose that can be, catered for, because weekdays, if it wasn't, on radio every day, recording could be, as I've been doing at the moment, nipping back and forth to London, that can be catered for, which is it's a brilliant show. I love doing it. It's huge, etc. The radio side of it, obviously, for the 4 months of the tour, I can't be on radio while I'm on tour in the UK and Ireland, so that's going to be difficult. But I mean, I don't see it as as the end of my run on radio. Certainly not with Jenny. But I do understand that when I'm away, 2FM has to keep evolving, and I think they can't sit around away from me. And we've all, I think, at 2FM done a fantastic job. All the presenters, the producers, to turn it around, and but certainly I'd say next summer I won't be on air for a certain amount of time. If the Westlife thing explodes into a worldwide tour and albums and songs that are taking over, I presume that 2FM thing.
Dan itu bahkan tidak paling nyaman. Anda tahu ini belum lama untuk mungkin merilis catatan sebelumnya Natal, jadi aku akan dijatuhkan darimu teman-teman, tapi yaitu hanya semuanya saja. Merasa benar dengan Anda, saya memberitahu Anda tentang keluarga dan seperti apakah mereka mempekerjakan untuk melemahkan orang-orang tua atau untuk istri keluarga. Pasangan anak-anak bereaksi ketika Anda melihat dia itu berjalan dengan baik. Saya pikir jujur memberikan tahu anak pasti salah satu momen yang terbaik dalam hidupku untuk melihat mereka wajah, karena Anda dapat melihat mereka buncin jatuh. Anda tahu mereka seperti yang Anda tahu dengan jelas bahwa itu memang terdengar. Banyak hal yang diumumkan, sedikit lagi pertanyaan-pertanyaan tentang Westar selama ini. Beberapa tahun saya kira sudah habis, rumor juga, dan orang yang berada mengatakan jika kamu berhenti bahkan sebelum kita berbicara tentang tetapi yang asli menempatkan yang asli. Kegembiraan atas dasar anak-anak mengirimkannya semua untuk saya, apa yang sebenarnya berarti orang-orang tertentu umum bahkan memiliki, mereka juga melihat Anda tahu. Anda berjalan keluar, Anda melihat kegembiraan asli mereka, wajah seolah-olah itu pada tahun 1999. Tetapi memang begitu tidak rapi rasanya seperti itu bagi kita. Untuk kami asli sangat bersemangat tentang ini semuanya, karena kita tahu apa yang kita memiliki tentang mereka. Anda tahu seperti saya katakan sebelumnya, sakral mereka, dan kami memiliki ikatan itu, dan aku pikirkan anak-anak Anda akan bisa melihat kegilaan ini pertama kalinya di seperti Anda. Jadi itu adalah hal-hal yang mereka tidak akan pernah lupa, dan kamu membunuh sebuah pintu, karena saat ini Roko Jai berkata untuk saya bahwa Anda tidak akan mendapatkan itu tanaman saat ini. Jadi di mana fase saya 1 dan Westlife seorang siswa, ada satu orang yang bersamamu di kedua cukup baru diluncurkan, jadi ya mungkin paling seru. Mungkin dia sedang pergi sekarang, tapi dia adalah orang yang baru sangat bersemangat. Tentu saja dia ingin kembali bersama 7 bertahun-tahun lalu. Jadi keinginan ini menjadi kenyataan, tapi saya pikir Anda tahu seperti orang lain melihat sangat bersemangat tentang apa yang akan terjadi di masa depan atau apa yang tersisa dari apa yang bisa kita lakukan banyak. Semakin kita mencapai alam semesta, di sana begitu banyak yang bisa kita lakukan adalah tentang konser musik internasional. Mengapa Anda tahu tidak ada hal-hal yang ketika Anda lakukan itu sedikit demi sedikit, seperti yang dikatakan Kate, bintang-bintang sejajar dengan laut menjadi seperti sedikit, tapi itu adalah penggemar situs web akan mengharapkan disatukan terlebih dahulu, malah memberikan saya yang lihat uni dan melihat kembang api khusus di sana. Wajah kita yang lakukan akan menjadi bajak laut. Mungkin jelas malam pertama menjadi buah di sini di RCFS. Apapun yang saya lihat, aku lihat saya memperhatikan jenis menangis dengan menyelesai pikirkan tentang Pioro, apa yang datang banyak bola api selama bertahun-tahun. Saya selalu ingat di awal hutang mereka untuk dan akan berada di atas panggung. Dengan itu selalu salah satu dari kita merupakan Piero. Jadi kami mengalah, kami merokok bobkan oleh api di depan, dan jiwa poin pulang juga akan pergi juga jauh sulit dan kita singkirkan untuk terbiasa untuk itu. Jadi Ya, itu selalu penting untuk mengetahui apa bagiannya. Lagu satu atap favorit untuk dinyanyikan di sini Belfast karena spesial di sini istimewa sampai saya pensiun di sini benar-benar sangat aktif di sini. Kita telah mengambil anak laki-laki Buddhisme. Saya pikir saya kesal. Pikirkan tentang hal itu. Anda tahu seperti poster mengatakan untuk Anda tahu 40 derajat 20 tahun di dalamnya sehingga setiap orang memiliki perbedaan favorit dari semua membuatnya begitu.
Thing will, my break from it will have to extend for some time. But I would always hope to return. I mean, I would always hope to go back and do it. I genuinely love my job and love what I do with Jenny and stuff. It's great fun. But yeah, that's where it's at the moment.
There's a girl out the front, and Shane, you pointed when we were walking past. She's been in the front row of every single Westlife gig in the Odyssey in Belfast, and that's what, 55?
60 shows, yeah.
60 shows.
Cat.
Yeah, front row.
Yeah,
That's dedication.
and they're the kind of fans we have, you know, it's incredible. And I think, you know, it's part of the story, you know, they're part of the whole story. And without them, we wouldn't be having this conversation, you know, and it's because they're dedicated. I think the fact that we're away for 6 years, and I think we've realised what Westlife is, we've realised what it meant to people. You know, even stuff we saw online like a year ago, or whatever it was, and the lads were singing in the World Cup, you know, on the street, and guys, women, men, girls, all age groups, what it meant to people. It's incredible, you know, and you only see that when you're away from it. And we saw it a lot in the last year or two. We really saw that people really wanted us to come back. And that's pure just want from the fans, and that's what it's all about. There's no point coming back unless they want us.
There was little moments, Shane, just remind me of those when we were away from each other, because we had no real reason to speak to each other, if you know what I mean. We're on our own thing, and we were always at the drop of a text or an email or whatever to each other. But during the Euro that you're talking about, when the Irish fans, do you remember the Irish fans abroad were cleaning up for people and fixing people's cars and changing, you know, punctures and stuff. And there was this great clip of these 4 or 5 lads, singing World of Rome in Irish areas and doing the routine. And these were lads in their late 30s or mid 30s, and that was one moment where, like, one of us, whoever saw it first, kind of clipped it and sent it around us all and said, "This is kind of cool." You know, those moments kind of. There was a few of those in the last couple of years.
Menarik, kami bisa tahu ambil mikrofon kepada siapapun untuk membiarkan kerumunan bernyanyi di daerah Louisville. Jalur kode yang Anda tahu, saya pikir itu juga akan menjadi perasaan yang luar biasa. Tapi seperti untuk mengetahui satu, mari kita berhenti bahu. Kapan kamu pergi ke latihan band penuh? Seperti Anda yang tahu, kita membeli 7/8 dari lagu kami dapat mengubah warna dengan baik. Anda punya banyak waktu untuk mempersiapkan yang pertama, manggung, jadi kami tidak akan meninggalkan menit terakhir. Seperti yang saya tahu, kita sudah mulai teleport Avalea. Saya pikir jika Anda ingat oleh pertunjukan perpisahan terakhir di mana semua orang termasuk diri kita sendiri begitu pecah berlaku, jadi kami semua menangis. Itu tidak pernah melihatmu saat kamu aktif panggung. Anda dapat melihat 10 baris pertama secara harfiah. Semua orang menangis menyebabkan saya pikir orang seperti yang saya katakan, orang memiliki kaos kaki khusus seperti Anda membersihkan saya, atau mungkin itu dari mantel itu. Anggota pendiri selama bertahun-tahun dan satu bola pasti punya alasan sendiri. Dan melihat semua orang menangis di bagian paling atas tadi malam akan menyenangkan untuk kembali ke dalam kebahagiaanmu. Tidak ada lagi malam yang mungkin dibayangkan orang sebagai serta. Yang ini Anda tahu terbaik dari setiap kita memiliki tindakan politik. Kita terima kasih untuk semua pengindaran dan federasi yang harus menyalin pada semua orang, karena maka mereka dapat mengubah ke 60 seni mereka, menunjukkan di mana mereka melakukan promosi. Mereka sudah lebih pro-profit untuk melakukan semua orang ya kali. Jadi bahwa saya akan tetap ke barat seperti yang saya rasakan lebih baik selama 60 tahun terakhir, lebih baik daripada tidak. Stasiun radio di pusat kota, semua orang bilang halo.